If you want to create your own VPN server, one of the best protocols you can use is OpenVPN. It's powerful, secure, and widely supported. There are several ways to create an OpenVPN server, but in this video, I'll show you the official way, using OpenVPN Access Server, the method recommended by OpenVPN themselves. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and works great in 2025, so let's get started. First, you need a VPS with at least one CPU and 1 GB RAM and either Ubuntu 20.04 or Debian 11 or higher. If you don't have a VPS or you don't know how to buy one, check out my video, Buying Your First VPS, watch this first. I'll link it in the description. After creating your VPS, you must connect to it. I use Termius, the SSH client I personally recommend. If you don't know how to do that, I also cover it in my video, How to Connect to Your VPS, Step-by-Step SSH Guide, link in the description. Open Termius, create a new host and enter your VPS IP. Set the username as root and enter the VPS password, usually sent to you by email. Then connect. Here comes the magic. Paste this one command into the terminal. This is the official OpenVPN install script. It auto-detects your system and installs everything, no manual steps. I will put this script in the video description. The installation takes about 5 minutes to complete. The admin panel address, username, and password will be displayed during installation. So after the installation is complete, scroll up to find them. First, log into the admin panel using these credentials. Once logged in, the first thing you'll see is the license agreement. Just read through it and accept to continue. Now, go to User Management, then User Permissions. Here you'll see one user listed, the default admin user named OpenVPN. You can change this user's password to something more secure. To do that, click the More Settings icon next to the user. In the password box, enter your new password. Then scroll down and click Save Settings. To apply the changes, hit the Update Running Server button. Remember, the OpenVPN user is your admin account. It has full access to everything. If you want to create additional users, for example, to share VPN access with someone, you can do that right here on the same User Permissions page. Just type a new username in the empty field below the OpenVPN user. Then click the More Settings icon next to it to set a password. If you don't set a password, the user will be passwordless, which means they won't be able to log in. And if you want to give them full admin access, just check the admin box in front of their name. Then click Save Settings. To apply the changes, hit the Update Running Server button. At the end, to connect your devices, whether it's Windows, Android, or anything else, just go to the client UI address shown in the terminal, the same place where you found the admin panel address. Note that in the admin panel, using the admin account, you can create or remove both regular and admin users. However, we use the client panel to download our OpenVPN connection profile. which is required to connect to the OpenVPN server. Then, log in using the username and password you just created. On the page that loads, each user can manage their own settings, like changing their password, creating and downloading connection profiles, or downloading the OpenVPN app for their device. For us, we'll first download the OpenVPN application. To do that, uncheck the option that says Include Connection Profile, User Locked, then click the Download button. In this video, we're using Windows, so download the Windows version, then install it. After that, go back and download your connection profile by clicking the Connection Profile link on the same page. Open it using the OpenVPN app you just installed. Enter your user password, then click Connect, and you're done. Your device is now securely connected to your own OpenVPN server. And that's it. You now have your own secure OpenVPN server, set up the official way, and best of all, using the free official access server version. Just a heads up, this free version has a 2 connection limit, meaning only 2 devices can connect at the same time. If you need more connections, you'll have to upgrade your subscription for about $9 per month. But if you want a method to install OpenVPN with no connection limits that's totally free, don't miss my next video. Set up OpenVPN with no connection limit, 100% free. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to support me and give me the motivation to keep making helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.